Amy Diaz joins us live in our studios. And Amy, what does it look like behind the scenes?
Well, Tom, the end of the Panama City Beach Russell Field City Pier looked very different today. Instead of fishermen, there were just pallets and pallets of fireworks ready for tonight's show. On July 2nd, 8 crew members with Pyro Shows Incorporated closed off the Panama City Beach Pier to start preparing for the highly anticipated fireworks show. They haul in dozens of pallets of fireworks that vary in sizes. After everything is at the end of the pier, they'll reopen a portion of it, and that's when the real work begins. The crew will start setting up the different fireworks and wiring them up to an electrical box.
We have an electric system, and that it's a wireless system that sends signals to the mods that control it, and that what sends it up.
The crew started planning this year's event almost 6 months ago. Permits were filed, pyrotechnics were purchased, and reservations were made, all for about a 15-minute show. This year, the crew is setting up a show with not just different sizes of fireworks, but more fireworks overall.
It's went up, went down, got bigger, smaller, just because of the way the economy's been, but the biggest thing is the amount of shells that we have now. There's more than different sizes. It makes, once you get to the smaller size, you get more of them. The bigger of the shell, the more it's going to cost. So if you want a longer time and more fireworks, you got to go to a smaller diameter shell.
Spectators can also expect to see more shapes and sizes in the sky.
There should be some more like smiley faces in the air and heart shapes up there.
They say the goal with every show is to bring the best show while keeping everyone safe and happy.
We just want to make sure we can provide the best show that we can and make sure it looks good. That way everybody out there is happy.
The Pier Park was closed off at 7 p.m. today, and the show went on as planned at 9 p.m.
Amy, did the same company set up the fireworks on the county pier?
Yep, they did, and both shows were identical.
It's always incredible. Now that the fun really begins, because it's going to take a while for these folks to clean up, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's going to take a minute, but Long says his crew will start working on taking everything down as soon as that show was over, and they will usually finish everything about midnight.
So about 3 hours. That's not bad at all. All right,
Yep.
Amy, thanks very much. Amy Diaz reporting live in our studios.